So let me start, and I would like to begin with, I guess, Hira. So let's welcome Hira on stage. Start. Hira, you can continue. Hira, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah, please, Hira, you can start.
I have chosen the topic, the three keys. As per my opinion, first key, everyone must believe that there is a supreme power, that is God. Second, always believe that we can get whatever we think by the grace of God and blessing of parents. And the third key, live the life, whichever you want to be. I will explain all these 3 points. First, faith that there is a supreme power. Guys, this universe has been created by God. We all know that the wind cannot blow, water cannot flow without the mercy of God. Even our breath is also provided by Him. So we always believe that He is the supreme power who having lots of thinkings about us. We only need to do that whatever the situation come, whatever the situation we face, we should try our best to go ahead of that situation. If we have the faith that yes, supreme power is blessing us, then we can face any tough situation at any point of our life. Second point, I tell that we should take the bless of our parents always. They are someone who always wants the best of our life. Whatever they have the resources, whatever they have the experiences, they try to give their best to their children. Sometimes we made mistake that we do not follow them. We argue with them. But before arguing, we must think that what he is trying to say us, what they are trying to say us, and what are the opinions, why he is doing so. So these two things. And in the third part, if we want to get success in our life, we should live our life whatever we want to be. If I want to be an officer, I have to dream always that I am an officer and I should work for that particular profile. I should work hard for that particular profile so that I can reach there. So these are the three key aspects. One person can be live a happy life. And second thing, never do any mistake which will feel you unhappy in future. If I am doing any mistake at this time, it may be possible that it will give me a happiness in particular time interval, but in future it may be a sin for me. So before doing any work, we must think that what is its impact in our future. If we are able to think that its impact will be good, then we should continue. And if our mind say that no, it might be harm us in future, so we should avoid those type of making mistakes. And for a happy life, each and every member or every person should try to live in present time. They do not bother about the past, what already happened, and they do not think more that what will be in future. They should try to live in present. Yes, we should plan for our future, but positive way, but we should not work like that. "Oh, I have to do this in within a few seconds." Some things are in the inverse that they cannot be done in a particular time interval. We should give it time. So when if there is something which is not going to complete in time, we should wait for that, because
Time up.
that yeah, it is said that everything has its own time. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Hira, for sharing your 3 keys to a happy life.